Hello, my name is Sagar B.C. and I have been working as an IT professional since last 5 years. It has been an incredible journey for me at Residential Business School. The rigorous curriculum equipped me with latest IT knowledge and skill, while the diverse extracurricular activities allowed me to grow both personally and professionally. I would say the course curriculum such as artificial intelligence, machine learning and information security, which are highly refined and targeted for the latest market needs. Also, the industry relevant project that drives our focus on resolving the real world problems. The faculties are highly knowledgeable and approachable. Their mentorship and willingness to go extra mile have assured me of personalized attention and support throughout my academic journey. I have come across multiple workshops and seminars conducted by industry experts focused on emerging technology, career development, and soft skill enhancement. These workshops helped me refine my technical expertise and helped me stay updated in the rapidly evolving IT landscape.